What's up, beautiful potatoes? Welcome to all of us, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. And guess what? I'm back with another wrap-up performance, one of my favorite shows in the recent times. From Thailand, after Masked Singer, this is like one of my favorite show actually in the recent times, and we're gonna be checking out a performance. Hopefully, this would turn out to be a wonderful performance. And but before jumping into this video, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, guys, and let's do some rapping now. Not me. I'm not gonna do any, rapping. I'm not a rapper. I'm just a reactor, I can say. Nuclear reactor, and I'm a video reactor. Hey, everybody! Yo. I think this guy needs some energy. Yeah, this guy needs some energy. What? Yeah. Rap Thai. Look at that energy, man. As he jumped onto the stage, he literally is like on the trampoline, or they usually jump, right? A lot of bank money. This guy is awesome. This guy is awesome. Look at that attitude, man. Where's Ice? Ice. Oh, his name is Sharif, okay. Sharif. Hey, yeah, that's a mumble rap. Hey, yeah. I mean, mumble rap is nowadays a trending rap style. I don't know why in every episode I see different rappers. Is this like kind of like primary auditions, or I don't know how this works. The show works. Because until this episode I have seen like more than 50 rappers. So probably they're gonna filter out in the later rounds, I guess. Something's burning, I guess so. Where's Ice there? Hold on, yeah. Not here. I need to pause my video. Hold on, I need to pause my video over here. Hold on. Bezos. And yep, that's all for this video, guys, and they're gonna talk in Thai, which obviously I don't even understand what they would be talking about, but I'll try to watch Ice videos, and I'll try to make reaction videos of Ice, separate videos. But for now, that's all for this video, and I hope you guys had a very good time watching this reaction video. If you really enjoyed, don't forget to smash the like button. Make sure to check out Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all the links in the description below, and go and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. And keep on the videos, and please don't forget to hit that. Hold on, what did I say? No, don't forget to share this video with your friend. Peace out.